Good afternoon, students. Today, our topic is order of performing operations. What is order of performing operation? First, you have to understand the definition of numerical expression. Note down in your notebook, numerical expression. What is numerical expression? Write down the definition in your notebook also. What is numerical expression? Collection of numbers. You open the page number of your book 20 and read the definition. Collection of numbers connected by one or more operation of addition, subtraction, division, and of. And sometimes this operation may be in the bracket also. These are called the numerical expression. Numerical expression are collections of numbers by one or more operations like addition, subtractions, division, and of. Division and of are called numerical expression. I will give you the example also. Then you understand the definition of numerical expression. And sometimes a numerical expression may involve brackets also. It means, just for example, I write down a numerical expression like this: 3 into 4 divided by 3 into 4 plus 6 divided by 3. Here, this is the numerical expression. Addition, subtraction, division, and of are the numerical expression. Some numbers are used by adding, subtraction, and division and multiplication. These are the terms of the arithmetic expression which are used to make it the numerical expression, and sometimes these are formed in the bracket also, like this: 15 minus 6 divided by 2 minus 5 into minus 7. Sometimes the brackets are also used. And first we have to operate the bracket. If this type of questions comes, then first you have to do first we have to solve the bracket. So how many types of brackets? And to calculate these numerical, to simplify these numerical expression, how you will solve this? First, the student says, any one of the students says that sometimes the students say that first we multiply, then we add, then we divide. And you can't guess it. You have to take the proper method to solve these questions. To solve these questions, we have to use the order of the operation. This formula, like this is the, you have to use for these questions, like when the addition, subtraction, division, brackets are used in some question. To simplify this question, we have to use the BODMAS. The full form of BODMAS is B for bracket. B for brackets. Note down these in your notebook. O for of, and D for divide. You have to simplify these questions by the ordering of the operation. And M for multiply, and A for add, and S for subtract. Then subtract. First, you have to see in these numerical expression, bracket is given. Then when the bracket is not given, then you will Of is given, of means further you have to, of means multiply. You change the of into multiply. Then after the of operation is also end, then you see the divide sign is given. Then you see when the divide sign is given, so first you will solve the divide. And then if the multiply sign is given, then first you will multiply. And after that, you will add and subtract. Add and subtract, you can go through both, but first you have to see the bracket, then of, then divide, then multiply, A for addition and S for subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction. Okay, again I am repeating this. First I will repeat what is numerical expression. A numerical expression is the collection of numbers by adding, subtracting, division and multiplication, or sometime it may involve in the bracket also. And bracket are of so many types. First is the, I will explain the bracket now. First I will explain the bracket. How many type of brackets? And math is not depend upon the guess. You will have to apply the rules. Our topic is order of performing the operation. So to perform these operations, to simplify these operations, we have to follow the order of the rules. The order of the rules are followed by the BODMAS. BODMAS means B for bracket, O for of. You have to change the of into multiply, then you have to divide, then multiply, then add, and then after that you will have to subtract. Add and subtract will go same way. You can simplify these two together. Now bracket, how many types of brackets? And first, which bracket is solved first? First is big bracket. This is the big bracket, or square bracket, or rectangular bracket, you can say it. Big bracket, or you can say it rectangular bracket also. Rectangular bracket also. Okay? Right? Now, second is curly bracket, like this. Note down these, all these terms. This is the curly bracket. And the next one is round bracket. Round bracket और curved bracket भी बोल सकते हो आप, ठीक है? This is the round bracket or known as the common bracket also. Okay, this is the common bracket, you can call it. Or last one is line bracket. Last one is line bracket. Line brackets. Now, which type of brackets you have to solve first? First, you have to solve the line bracket, then common bracket, then curly bracket, then after the, at the last, you have to solve the rectangle bracket. Now, to solve the numerical operations of formed by the addition, subtraction, division, and of, and the bracket are also involved. These are simplified by the order of the operations like BODMAS. With the BODMAS, BODMAS means B for bracket, O for of. First you will have to see the bracket, then you will see the of, then you have to divide, then multiply, and after add and subtract. Some question we will take and then we will solve it. We will take some question. Now, our first question is simplify. First question, 15 minus 6 divided by 2 minus 5 into minus 7. Now see in this question, don't do like this, you will add, first subtract, then divide, then see minus, then multiply. Not do like this. You will have to do the correct option. Means you have to take, see this bracket is given in this question. So first you will solve this bracket. Minus 6 divided by 2 minus 5 multiplied by minus 7, it equal to minus 35. Okay. Now 15 minus 6 divided by 2, it become 6 divided by 2, it become 3, and minus minus plus 35. Okay, bracket is also solved, and minus multiplied by minus, it become positive. Now you can, how you will solve this? Before 15 plus sign is given, add 15 plus 35. It is equal to 50. So 50 minus 3, it is equal to 45. Proper order you have to use in this question. Okay. Now your answer is 15 minus 3, it is equal to 47. Sorry. 50 में से 3 subtract करना है, not 5. So 10 में से 3 गया 7 and 4. Your answer is 47. See which you have to use. First you have to see in this question, bracket is given. So in between the bracket and the number, multiply sign is given. First you will multiply this. So it is minus. Now minus multiply by minus, it become positive, plus, and 6 of, there is not off in the question. Now divide is given. So first you will see divide. 6 divided by 2, it is equal to 3. Now add 15 plus 35. Both are added, it is equal to 50. 50 minus 3, it is equal to 47. Now your exercise 1.5, and I will take the first question of your exercise by using this method, board math. Your question number 1 is 7 minus 8 divided by minus 2 plus 3 into minus 4. Okay. So first, what will you do in this question? First, we will solve this bracket. Okay. B bracket O off is not given. Now divide is given, multiply is given. So first we will divide. So 8 divided by minus 2, minus comes before, and 8 divided by 2, it become minus 4. So minus 4, okay, and plus 3 into minus 4. Your answer is minus multiply by minus, it become positive side, plus 4, and then you multiply these. 3 multiply minus 4, it is equal to minus 12. Now open the bracket, plus multiply by minus, it is equal to minus 12. So 7 plus 4, it is equal to 11, minus 12. Subtract 11 from minus 12, it is equal to minus 1. Your answer is minus 1 of this question. Okay. Note down this question. First you will do the divide portion, then you will multiply this. Okay. Plus 3 multiply by minus 4, it is equal to minus 12. And minus multiply by minus, it is equal to plus 4. Now you will add first 7 plus 4, 11, minus 12. So subtract 11 from minus 12, it is equal to minus 1. So our second question is, nine minus 7 minus 24 divided by 8 plus 6 into 2 minus 16, common bracket close, and square bracket is also, rectangular bracket is also closed. Now how will you solve this question? First you will say, what are the operation in the bracket? First you have to solve this bracket. Okay, common bracket you have to solve first. Okay, so how you will solve first this common bracket? 7 minus 24 divided by. Here, first you will see multiply these two numbers, not add 8 and 6 plus. First you have to do the multiply, because in the bracket of is not given, divide is not given. Then you will see multiply is given or not. So you will multiply these two numbers first. 6 into 2, 12. Okay. Now again the next line. First you will solve the 12 plus 8, 20, 20 and 16 subtract from 20, it is equal to 4. Okay. Now, what will you do now? 24 divided by 4. First you will solve this one in the bracket. Now in the big bracket, first you will solve the divide. Okay. One by one you have to see. First you have seen the common bracket. In the common bracket, multiply is given, and then you solve the addition and subtraction. Now it comes out 4. So 24 divided by 4, it becomes 6. 24 divided by 4, it is 6. Now 6 subtract from 7, it is equal to 1. So this bracket is also solved now. Now 1 subtract from 9, your answer is 8. Okay. Never go directly 24 divided by 8. No, first see the bracket. Bracket is given or not. And in the bracket, how many operations are there? Numerical operations are there. So one by one, order wise, you have to solve these operations and get the answers. Now your third question is, you have to complete this exercise also in your notebook. Third question is minus 11 minus, again आपकी rectangular bracket में, in which the rectangular bracket minus 6 minus, again curly bracket start, 3 minus 5. When the sign is not given before the bracket, then it means multiply sign. There is the multiply sign. 8 divided by 4 minus 1, common bracket close, curly bracket close, then rectangular bracket close. You have to solve this question. Now first you will see the common bracket. In the common bracket, here is the divide sign and minus sign. So first you will solve the divide sign. Okay. Minus 11 minus 6, again curly bracket start, 8 divided by 4, it become 2. 2 minus 1. In the next step, we will solve this. Okay. Minus 11 minus 6, curly bracket start. When there is no sign between the bracket and the numerical number, it means multiply sign is here. 2 minus 1, it is equal to 1. So 5 multiply by 1. Now your common bracket is end now. Now you have to solve the curly bracket. So how you will solve the curly bracket now? 3 minus 5 1 ja 5. Now in the next step, it also closed. Minus 5, 3 subtract from 5, it become minus 2. Okay. So minus multiply by minus, it become plus 2. Okay. Now this bracket is also end. Minus 6 plus 2, it is equal to minus 4. Now minus 11 minus minus plus 4, it is equal to minus 11 add plus 4, it is equal to minus 7. Your answer is minus 7. I hope you all understand this question. Again, I am repeating this question, then we will take the next one also. See the first step. first step, we will see the common bracket. Okay. First, you will solve this common bracket. So in the common bracket, there are two signs. One is divide and one is minus. You will first divide 8 divided by 4. It is equal to 2 minus 1. So subtract 1 from 2, it is equal to 1. So where the from before the bracket, when there is no sign, it means multiplication is given. 5 multiply 1, it is equal to minus 5. Then you will subtract 3 from minus 5, or otherwise you can say like this, minus 5 plus 3. When you add these two numbers, it is equal to minus 2. Now before the curly bracket, minus sign is already given. So multiply minus with the minus, it become the positive. So minus 6 plus 2. Again you will add minus 6 plus 2, it is equal to minus 4. Now again, before the rectangular bracket, minus sign is given. So minus multiply by minus, it become plus. So minus 11 plus 4, it is equal to minus 7. This is your answer of this question. Yes, your next question, you will solve this question yourself. And next one, fifth question I am taking, 14 divided by 3 of. Now see in this question, of is also given. 3 of 2 minus 3 plus 4. 3 of 2 minus 3 plus 4. Again minus 9. Again common bracket is start, round bracket start, and 5 minus 3. How you will solve this question? In this bracket, you have given of. So first you will solve of. Of is changed into the multiply. Of is changed into the multiply sign. So in the first line, you will do like this. Of change into multiply. And you will solve this bracket also. 5 minus 3, it is equal to 2. This bracket is over now. Okay. Now 14 divided by 3 2 ja 6. First you will solve the multiply, then add, then subtract. So minus 3 plus 4. 9 2 ja 18. Okay. First we will solve the multiply. Then 14 divided by, not divide 14 by 6. First we will solve the bracket first. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 में से 3 subtract, then it become 7. Okay, now 14 divided by 7, it is 2 minus 18. It is equal to minus 16. Okay, it is equal to minus 16. 18 is greater than 2, but sign is given here before the 2. It is given positive sign, and before 18 there is given negative sign. So you will subtract the integer and the sign is positive. When the plus and minus sign is given, then you will see subtract the integer and minus sign, put minus sign before the integer. This is the rule of the integers. Now this is your fifth question, and one more question of your example where the line bracket is given. I will tell you when the line bracket is there. How you will sign the line bracket? One example I am taking, 2 into 5 minus 8 minus rectangle bracket start 8 minus again curly bracket 11 plus 30 divided by round bracket start 4 minus 7 minus 5, and upon the above the 7 minus 5 line bracket is there. So first you have to solve the line bracket. Okay. Okay. Then in this question, what will you do? First you will solve the line bracket. 2 into 5. In the bracket, how many operations are there? First you will to solve that operations. Okay. 4 minus. Before the line bracket, there is the sign minus. You put the sign minus here. 7 minus 5, it is 2. Now line bracket is over now. Now you will solve the common bracket. Okay. 2 into 5, 8 minus 11 plus 30 divided by, subtract 2 from 4, it is 2. Now this bracket is also over. Common bracket is also over. Now 30 divided by 2. In this curly bracket, what is the main operations? First you have to see the divide. First you have to solve the divide. 30 divided by 2, it is 15. Now 11 plus 15. 11 plus 15, it is 26. Now your curly bracket is also over. Now 26 minus 26 minus and 8 is positive, and 2 5 ja 10 here. It is equal to minus 18. Minus minus plus 18. So add 10 plus 18, it is equal to 28. Now this is the new topic of the order of performing operations. Now in these questions, you have to first see what you have to see. First, you have to see the brackets and how many types of bracket I tell you. First is the line bracket, then is the common bracket, then is the curly bracket if it is given in the question, and then the big bracket, rectangle bracket you can say also. You have to solve it one by one by using the order of the operations. Like first you have to see the bracket, and in the bracket how many operations are there you will see, and order wise you have to solve it. First you will use of, then divide, then multiply, then add and subtract can go together. Okay, so this is the rule of the order of performing operations. When in the numerical operations, plus, minus, division and off signs and bracket is also involved, then how you will solve? By using the BODMAS rule, not by guessing it. First we will do the addition, then we will do the subtraction, then we will do the divide. No, by the rule wise you can do the you can simplify the numerical expression. Okay. Now, if you have any doubt regarding the BODMAS rule, then you notebook also. And if you are having the doubt of regarding the full chapter 1, then you can ask now.